We are in my new garage and it's time to start a new dirt bike build. Hey, what's up guys, Rado here. And finally, after many months, we are going to start this YZ125 build. This is 2001 YZ125 that I got for $700. It runs, but it's in quite a poor condition. I do have a big plans for this thing. It will look amazing once we are done with it. But today we have to do the most important thing. We have to take everything apart. Alright guys, look at these radiators, my goodness, they are bent like crazy. We're gonna send it over to ICW. I believe they will be able to straighten them and do a nice braces for them. Alright guys, so we are deep in the project. The bike is almost all apart. You know, when I do this teardown, I write down a list of the things I need to buy as I go. Everything I see that I need to buy, I will write it down. And you know, there is so much stuff you guys can buy in your local dealer. If you want to know what is in stock, you can jump on PureMoto.com and you can check your local dealer inventory online and then just drive down and pick it up.
But if Roxy didn't crash like that, he'd probably be one of the world's best drivers.
Possible.
When he was a rookie, he won the championship 2 times.
Hold it, go. Don't push it, just hold it.
Yep, you heard right. I just snapped the bolt. These forks were really too tight. I don't know who was tightening them up, but definitely not to the specs. So we would have to drill that thing out and take the broken bolt out. Alright my friends, so mission accomplished for today. All the parts are on the bench, just as we planned in the beginning. Everything is here. There is the parts cart full of stuff as well. We have our suspension here and the wheels. This right here is the spot where we took everything apart, my lights and my camera setup. So let me show you a couple things here we need to address quickly. This right here is a dent on the frame. I'll have to take this to my buddy Dallas. He will weld it for us, and then we will take the frame to San Diego powder coating and we will get it powder coated. After that's done, we're gonna take care of all the aluminum. We'll do hydroblasting. We have a bunch of hydroblasting. We need to do some ICW needs to take care of our radiators. Suspension will go probably to race tech, and I think we'll be rebuilding the stack wheels. We'll do some magic there. 125 engine doesn't look terrible, but of course we're gonna clean everything nicely, and then we're gonna hydroblast everything and then take it over to Brad at Parapros, take the engine apart, inspect everything, and probably do everything new inside. So this puppy will be better than new. Also, we're gonna do probably some head mods and maybe some cylinder porting and hydroblasting and some Cerakoting as well. Now I want to show you something. Look at this. This is entire wire harness that comes on YZ125. It's just like so simple. Your CDI goes here, your stator goes here, this goes on the coil, and this goes on the kill switch. That's all there is to it. So YZ125, super simple, nothing complicated, and a lot of fun once it runs as it should. Alright my friends, so that's about it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. We spent a couple hours here together in the garage. I gotta tell you, I just love this place now. It's much bigger, it's so easy to work, so easy to move around. So finally we got on this YZ125 project. Hopefully now we're gonna move a little bit faster than normal. See you later, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. Bye.